Hello viewers, myself Dr. Rachna, homeopathic physician, chronic disease specialist. Today I am telling you about bile duct cancer. For homeopathic treatment, who does complete cure without any side effect. Bile duct cancer, our other name is cholangiocarcinoma. Cholangiocarcinoma is a cancer that forms in the slender tube bile duct that carry on the digestive fluid bile. Bile duct connect your liver in your gallbladder and to the small intestine. This condition is also known as bile duct cancer. It is an uncommon form of cancer. Cholangiocarcinoma into the different type of based of where the cancer occur in the bile duct. Intrahepatic cholangiocarcinoma in the part of the bile duct within the liver, and it is sometime of the classification type of liver cancer. Second is hilar cholangiocarcinoma in the bile duct just outside of the liver. This type of is also called the perihilar cholangiocarcinoma. Third, digital cholangiocarcinoma in the portion of the bile duct nearest the small intestine. Cholangiocarcinoma is the large of tumor that very difficult to treat in the conventional treatment. Causes of cholangiocarcinoma: we doesn't know the exact cause of most bile duct cancer, but some research have found some risk factor: inflammation the bile ducts and stone infections, parasite, and something else in heredity. Signing symptom of cholangiocarcinoma and yellowish of your skin and whiteness of your eyes and like jaundice, intensely itching skin, white color of stool and fatigue, abnormal pain and weight loss, bloating of stomach and enlarged abdomen. Sometimes right side is paining appearing in the lower abdomen, right side, and sometimes left side shifting up pain, itching, burning, sometimes vomiting and nausea feeling. Risk factor of the cholangiocarcinoma: primary sclerosing cholangitis, chronic liver disease, bile duct problem present at the birth, are liver parasites, and older age above 50, smoking. Prevention or stop the smoking, reduce your risk liver disease. Diagnosis of bile duct and liver function test, LFT, and tumor marker test, CA and 19-9. The test to examine your bile duct with the small camera during endoscope retrograde D. Cholangiopancreatography, CRCP, CT scan, MRI, MRCP to the ERCP, 3D imagination and image, a procedure to remove a sample of tissue for the testing biopsy. This is a conventional treatment for cholangiocarcinoma. Treatment of bile duct cancers and surgery, liver transplantations and chemotherapies, radiation therapies and photodynamic therapies and biopsy during and medication and observation. This is like conventional treatment for this bile duct carcinoma, and other name is cholangiocarcinoma. But now I am telling you about homeopathy medicine for this condition. And first medicine is phosphorus 202 times a day for 24 weeks you can use, and second Saclac 33 times a day for 24 weeks. Both medicine you can use this for this complaint. Homeopathy medicines depend on signing symptom, but lot of medicine in homeopathy for cancer who does complete cure. Homeopathy treatment procedure are such as utilization, case analysis, constitution, mental symptom, signing symptom, pathological investigation. So you want to get cure completely, please consult nearby homeopathy physician. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, request to you please subscribe my channel, push bell icon and like and share.